beef potato coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make beef potato coconut milk rice or veal potato coconut milk rice. The ingredients are 250 grams of beef cleaned and cut into pieces, around 25 to 30 shallots cleaned and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put it We can start it. Then salt to taste. Mix. Put in 2 spoons of garam masala or mixture spices. Now put in the beef pieces or the veal pieces. Thoroughly mix. Mix the pieces thoroughly, the rest of the mixture. Now put in the potato pieces. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put the beef and the rest of the ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes. Now pour in 500 ml of coconut milk and mix and let the mixture cook for 40 to 45 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 120 minutes if in an open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let the mixture cook for 5 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the beef, potato, coconut milk rice is ready after the required amount of cooking. can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef potato coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most nutritious of the beef recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.